Hi, my name is Guangchen. In this demo, I will show you how to run Modulus on the Rescale platform. Modulus can be run by either using a batch job with a one-line command or interactively using Rescale workstations. To get started, let's first create a new batch job by clicking the Create New Job button and give the job a name. Then select the job budget and choose the basic job type. The first step is to upload the input files from local computer. Here, the zip files contain the scripts to run this job, which are the scripts for the lead-driven captive flow case. For the software, we select the NVIDIA Modulus tile. In the command setting, we can edit the pre-populated command line and specify the script to launch the job. Next is the hardware page. This is where Rescale platform really shines, as it gives you the access to a variety of architectures for your job, like NVIDIA A100, V100, and P100. Here we choose the V100. For this demo job, I set the wall time to 1 hour. Now we are ready to submit the job. Once the job is submitted, we can monitor the job on the status page. Typically, you can look at the process_output log, which gives you the output that generated during the workflow. We can access all the data through the Ruby notebook here. By clicking the Open in the New Window button, we can log into the node. Then go to the simulation directory and check the results. Also, we can check the GPU usage. Alright, with just a few clicks, we can submit a Modulus batch job with multiple GPU or multi-node scaling. The batch job is easy to use, but the visualization ability during the job running is limited. Next, I will show you the interactive workflow using Rescale end-to-end desktop, which enable users to do code development, run and monitor the simulation, post-process results all in one job. Similar to the batch job, let's create the interactive workflow by clicking the Create New Job button and give the job a name. Here we choose the end-to-end desktop as a job type and select the project budget. We upload the input files from local computer and choose the NVIDIA Modulus as the software. And we don't need to specify command line here. For the hardware, we still choose the GPU core type V100 and set the wall time to 2 hours. Now we are ready to create a workstation and do interactive work. This is the status page when the job is running. We can click the Connect button to enter into the workstation. Then open up a terminal and go to a simulation directory. We run the modular simulation with this line of command. You can directly copy from our documentation sites. Now you see the simulation is running. To check the training process, we can open a new terminal and use TensorBoard. We need to start a new Singularity container and launch TensorBoard in this container. We need to open the UI in the web browser. Now we can check the training process simultaneously as the job is running. To get access the results files, we can open the data folder in the work directory. We can edit and modify our script easily with the editor. So you can check the setting of the solver and neural network step settings. We can also develop the code and the Python script through Jupyter Notebook. Here I show the process how to start the Jupyter Notebook environment. Similar to the TensorBoard, we also need to open the Jupyter Notebook environment in the web browser. Now we can get access to the data results. We can also create a Jupyter Notebook for code development purpose. So how should we do if we want to visualize results? Here we can visualize through the pair view. Here I show the process to start a pair view interface. Now we can visualize the results. Here I visualize the predict flow field and color the cloud points by the U velocity. Now you see, in this workflow, we can run and monitor simulation, do the code development, and post-process results all in one workflow. So, alright, that's pretty much it. Hope that helps. For more details about how to run modules on our platform, please refer to our documented site. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.